In Forcepoint ONE, there are two main areas where administrators can observe user activities. First place is under dashboards, where we can see high-level insights on topics like data security, threats, web browsing, and enterprise applications. We see here, for example, the web browsing dashboards, showing brief details on total domains visited, top risky destinations, and many other topics. For a detailed view, administrators can find this under the Logs menu. Here, we see more information on different users and application activities. Proxy logs show full details on user activities, while accessing cloud applications, details like usernames, application names, operating system, user geolocations, file name, and many other relevant information. In the same way, web logs have the same level of details when users access websites. Now, as we fully integrate Forcepoint ONE with Microsoft Sentinel, using the REST APIs of Forcepoint ONE platform and the Codeless Connectors of Microsoft Sentinel, we are able to export different types of Forcepoint ONE logs to Microsoft Sentinel. Admins can now run custom KQL queries on Forcepoint ONE logs to help them detect, investigate, and respond to data security incidents and malware threats. There are endless capabilities as a result of this integration, but for a start, we have created two separate workbooks to demonstrate some relevant insights on both Forcepoint ONE CASB and Secure Web Gateway offerings. Now, incident handlers can manage all data security and malware protection events generated from Forcepoint ONE platform in Microsoft Sentinel, whether these events are relating to user accessing cloud applications or normal web destinations. Incident handlers can create their own interactive reports, correlate alerts into incidents by using analytics rules, investigate the scope and root cause of security threats, or even automate and orchestrate common tasks by using playbooks.